The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Clark County in south-central Indiana, Southeastern Floyd County in south-central Indiana, Southeastern Harrison County in south-central Indiana, Oldham County in central Kentucky, Northwestern Shelby County in central Kentucky, Nelson County in central Kentucky, Larue County in central Kentucky, Northwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, North Central Hart County in central Kentucky, Jefferson County in central Kentucky, Bullitt County in central Kentucky, Hardin County in central Kentucky, Western Spencer County in central Kentucky, Southwestern Trimble County in central Kentucky, Northwestern Greene County in central Kentucky, Southwestern Washington County in central Kentucky, East Central Breckinridge County in central Kentucky, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hodgenville, or 12 miles southeast of Elizabethtown, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for south-central Indiana and central Kentucky. Expected hazards include 100 miles per hour wind gusts and grapefruit-sized hail. The storm was reported by law enforcement. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Expect considerable damage to homes and businesses. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Louisville, Elizabethtown, Jeffersonville, New Albany, Jeffersontown, St. Matthews, Shively, Bardstown, Shepherdsville, Linden, LaGrange, Middletown, Douglas Hills, Prospect, Hurstbourne, Hodgenville, Graymer, Devondale, Brandenburg, Hills, and Anchorage. For your protection, move into an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a potentially deadly storm. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Stay away from windows,